Is it Elivera? Because it depends on the pronunciation of the name. So the spelling in Korean will be also different. Oh, thank you so much, Butterfly. Harsha. It's hard. I find it hard. Let me review it later. No A. Elivera. Elivera. E. So we start it with E. This is the first syllable. E. Li. This is the L. Then I. Eli. V. They don't have letter V, so we will use letter B. Elibe. Elibe. Elibera. Ay, for a while. My position is so hard. Let me change my position. Let me rotate my phone. So when we write your name, it will be like Elibera. Elibera. I don't like my pen. Let me change. Harsha. Harsha. Elibera. Elibera. It's clear. I just changed my pen to the bigger pointer. So here it is. Harsha Elibera. This is per syllable. Elibera. Harsha. Okay. Name Uni. Uni. I will write Uni. Let me check the. You're welcome, Elibera. Althesia. It will be hard. Your name? My name is this. Esa. Esa. I can also use this one. Esa. But I think this is the right one. Esa. I'm your Uni is this. Uni. I'm mixing my Korean and my English. Nice name. Thank you, Butterfly. Your name also is nice, and also Elibera. It's unique names. Who else? Do you know Korean already? Butterfly and Elibera. Are you studying Korean language? Do you have any idea about it?